giving very much that. Very much let me check out. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Larry. And I'm back again with another video. And as you can see from the title, you already know the Telfezzy Bleezy Easy Maneezy on them kneesies came in the mail. It came in this big box. So I ordered it off Telfar's website. Dang, I don't even know when I ordered. I think on November 3rd or something like that. Whenever the gray fleece came out, I ordered it because I was already planning on it. Let me look. I was already scheming on it because I wanted it so bad. I was like, oh, that gray fleece is giving. I didn't really like the other bags, the regular UGG bags. I just see, like, I kept seeing like people's bag and it didn't look like, I don't know, it just wasn't really giving for me. I wanted mine to be cohesive. Okay, so I ordered it on November 10th. I ordered it on November 10th. I don't know when it got shipped. I know it took like almost like a week for it to get fulfilled. It took a while actually, because normally I've seen a lot of people, their stuff gets like fulfilled and shipped within like a few days. Like they get lucky, but mine took like almost a week, I think, to get done. Then they don't ship to APO no more. So when I first started trying to get the bags and I was on the bag hunt trying to get the bag, they used to let me put in the APO website. I mean APO, my address and everything, which you can ship to. Basically APO is like overseas, like, but military. But they used to be able to ship to that address, but now they changed it to where you can't. So I had to ship it to my grandma and then she had to ship it to me. So I got it like almost a week and a few days later, but it finally came in. You know, shout out to Gammy because she came in clutch and, you know, mailed it to me. So period. So I'm guessing the gray came out November 10th. That's when I ordered it. Like, let's get it together. Thank you. I can't really see like the full view of like what y'all seeing. I can just see like the middle of me. Y'all can probably see my PS5 in the background, you know. PS5. I'm playing. But I'm opening the box like like that. It's really big. Oh, we got to push the camera over. Like that. Bubble wrap. Now I don't know if my grandma added this, the bubble wrap, or Telfar usually put that. I got the packing slip with like my order, everything, you know. November 10th, I placed my order. It was $230 regular, but with tax, it was $251. Tax was hitting. And then you got, ooh! Let me put the box down. Look at it. I've been fiending for a freaking Telfar bag for the longest. When I tell y'all I've been fiending. You can ask my friends. Like, yeah, he has been fiending for his bags. So it comes in this bag. It says, that's Telfar, and you just, it's like plastic. You just tear that on, and it's wrapped up in the paper. Let's get it. Got the UGG tag right there. Booming. Period. You know. Period. Okay. And it's wrapped in the paper. I really don't want to tear it, but I mean, this type of paper, there's no way to not tear. Oh, hold on. The tape kind of peeling off. Oh. Yeah, the tape is kind of peeling off. Let's do it. I'm I'm trying to peel it off. Oh my God, it's too late now. Dang, it's too late. Ooh, y'all see it? Ah! Ooh. Telfezzy. It ain't easy to get you Telfezzy with an easy but a beezy. So this is my Telfezzy. This is the bag. You see it right there. You already know. Telfezzy. Oh, oh! Hold on. Look at it. It's giving size. It's a good little size. It's so soft. Way a little bouncy when you press on it. I love it. It's giving. You got the long straps, the little plastic on there. Not my camera stopped recording. I don't like it. It had a little piece of paper in between the clasp to stop it from rubbing, I guess you would say. All right, remove that. And look in the bag. Y'all see it? There. Hold on, right here. It's giving the Telfar and the details, the Telfar zipper, baby. Let me hold on. Y'all hear it? Hold on. Ah, I can't zip it. Oh, it's giving open sesame. And it's deep too. It's deep. And a lot of people were saying that this is like the cleaning instructions. Hold on, I'm not even in the camera, but I'm talking. What the heck? This was the cleaning instructions for the bag. Avoid contact with oils and alcohols. Do not expose direct sources of heat. Store in cool and dry area. Proper care will extend the quality and luxury of the new accessory. To learn more, please visit UGG.com. We carefully select. Okay. Tell me a little something. I kind of wish it had like something on here to like tell you how to clean it. But I mean, I guess you have to go to UGG.com to get that more information. This bag is giving. Let me get the stuffer up out of here. Get on up out of here. I can't believe I got this bag. I can't, like, for real, because I have been wanting a Telfar for a while. And look at it. Can y'all see it? It is giving everything it's supposed to give. It's a good size. It's a good size, honey. I'm playing out. It's a really good size though, for real. I love this material. It's so soft. But honestly, when I ordered it, I was a little scared because here's a dust bag. I don't want to unravel it though, but basically it's the no, it's upside down. It's the UGG Telfar. This is the dust bag that the whole bag is supposed to go inside of. But for real, I was scared to get this bag because the material, and I don't know, I was scared that like I would get something on it and mess it up. You know, you don't want to mess up your bag. And it's winter too. Like it's about to be full. It's not even winter yet, but technically it's cold outside. It's about to start raining and acting a fool. So I'm kind of scared. I'm kind of scared to wear my Telfezzy out, because if you can't go to Bella Noches, where else can you go with this? That's why I'm ready for my bags. It was on bag security program. Come on in, y'all. Come on. Because I need that leather. Can y'all believe? I can't believe I got this bag, bro. Oh, it's giving. It's giving. And I can honestly tell you, like, if you want the bag, go on there and order through Klarna. I ordered through Klarna. And you just do like, you can do like 4 different payments, or you can select another option to do like longer payments. But after you do your first order with them and you pay like all of it back, like I think you can do up to like $800, but you don't have, it's no MSRP on it. So it's like whatever, you know, whenever the payments due, you just pay that direct amount. It never goes up. There's no interest. So it's booming. I'm like, okay, Klarna, come through. But I'm rambling, but yeah, you guys, I'm super hyped that I got this bag. I can't believe I got this bag. I'm ready to wear it, baby. I'm ready to wear my bag. You know, should I undo the I don't want to undo the straps. I don't know. I mean, I'm gonna have to eventually, because I'm gonna wear it, duh. But can y'all believe it? Hold on. Let me throw it on. It's giving. Okay, hold on. It's fitting good. It's not even too big. A medium is good size for me. I don't know about the large. I want a large for like a carry-on bag for when I travel, but the medium is giving right now. It's giving. I'm bringing this bag whenever I got a vlog, and I'm gonna put my camera in my bag. Let me open it up. How much did you say it was? Oh, $37.50. Let me get my wallet. Okay. Card. It's giving very much that. Very much. Let me check out. I'm dead. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and comment down below if you got a Telfezzy or if you want a Telfezzy, because I know I want some more. With this bag included, I'm gonna have, well, when my bags come in, I'm gonna have 3 Telfezzys. I'm ready. And that tan color, when I get the tan one, over with. That's gonna be my everyday bag. Every day, yeah, every day, yeah. But thank y'all for watching my video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe, like, and comment. I know y'all not subscribed, so y'all need to go ahead and subscribe. Y'all need to go ahead and like. Y'all need to go ahead and comment down below, because Larry drops what? Bangers. Period. Bye, y'all. Telfezzy.